Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MOURA YING, if you didn't know. So, I know it's been a long time since I uploaded. So let me just quickly tell you why I'm so frustrated right now. And I'm trying so hard to keep this smile on my face, this fake ass smile. But, it's because, okay, so I shot a Fashion Nova try-on haul. You know, this is one of the items, you know, Fashion Nova. But, that didn't work. I recorded it 2 times and it just wasn't posting. It wasn't going up. So I had to, maybe it wasn't meant to be. The video was just not working. And now I was trying to do a monkey video and asking dudes to be my sugar daddy. It was so funny. I met like 20 people, maybe like damn near 50 people that I really liked. And they were really funny and they all had funny answers. Lost the footage. It just lost the footage. It's not working. I tried to do this video already 3 times. I don't know what's going on. I've never, like, I don't know, like, it's kind of weird because I do believe in, like, bad luck and stuff like that, and I actually do have bad luck. I mean, maybe it was just not, these videos are just not meant to be on my channel. I'm trying so hard to do it and it's just not working. I'm gonna try it one more time. And if it doesn't work, I'm just gonna I don't know. Maybe I'll still post this video. I met this one really, like these 3 really, no, 4. I met 4 really, really, really nice guys and I would love you guys to see them and hear their answers. They was funny, they was alive, there was everything. There was one dude that I really, really liked and y'all just won't get to see that. But, I'm sorry if they do see this video. I'm sorry, guys. The footage was just lost. There's nothing I can do about it. It just, you guys know, as I said, your girl has bad luck. It just wasn't working out. So I'm gonna try this one more time. If it doesn't work, I'll just edit. I'll just put this little clip in apologizing to everyone and stuff like that. But I'm gonna have to think of a new video idea and try to make a video tomorrow or some other day before next week and get it up before Monday. So yeah, thank you. So guys, this is like hours later. Like I told you, I had to start this video all over again, and this is gonna be my last attempt to do it. So I'm sorry if it's not as lit as it should have been or it could have been, because like I said, I did this video multiple times before. I tried and there was like so much going on, so many things not working out. But I learned from my mistakes. I'm not working harder, I'm gonna work smarter. So boom. Hi.
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
Hey, you cute as hell.
Thank you.
That's some time.
Oh yeah, sure.
How old are you?
18. How old are you?
Shit, I'm 19.
Okay. I got a question for you though.
What's up?
Wait, can I see your face?
What's the question first?
Okay, listen. Hear me out, all right? Okay?
Yeah, I hear you.
So, I've been going through a really tough time in my life, you feel me? And I'm just looking... What?
I hear you.
And I'm just looking for a friend. So my question is, do you want to be my sugar daddy?
I mean, I can be.
You got money?
Of course.
Where you work?
You want to know where I work?
Yep. Where you work?
know, ask me one time.
Oh, where you work?
Have you ever heard of Duke Energy?
Nope.
I work there.
Oh, all right.
It's like an electrician place.
Oh, okay, so you make big money.
Nah, not really.
So how you gonna be my sugar daddy?
It's a joke.
Damn, you don't work there?
Yeah.
Oh, you do work there?
Yeah. I mean, it's a joke to I was, when you said big money. And I was like, nah. Yeah, it's a joke. But hey, you're free.
Yep. Where you live?
I'm from North Carolina.
Oh, I live in Massachusetts.
Look, I don't got no problem with goddamn help you out. As long as you help me out, you feel?
I feel you.
So, hey, I mean, it's a friend.
Alright, I got you.
So, you say you a freak?
I never said that.
Nah, yes you did.
No, I didn't.
So look, I'm trying to find out if you're a freak.
Just add me on Snapchat. Just add me.
Show me on here.
What?
Show me on here.
My hair?
No, I said show me on here.
Show you what?
That you're a freak.
Boy, bye.
Okay, so
Hi.
Hey, Aston Town, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Where you from?
Boston.
Oh, you got an accent. Hey, you hard as hell.
I'm finna come to Boston just for you.
I ain't got no accent. Y'all got accent.
You do.
You don't hear. We hear your accent, but shit.
You said we got the accent.
Yep.
What kind of accent we got?
Like country. Y'all sound country.
We sound country here, God. Why you did us dirty like that?
No, country's good. Country's good.
Oh, you like them country nigga, huh?
Yup.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna move down south. Trust me.
What part you trying to move to?
I don't know, like Georgia maybe. I don't know.
That's where I'm from. That's where I'm from.
See?
You gonna go to Atlanta?
Yeah, of course, of
Come
course.
Come on, Augusta.
You gonna come to Augusta, Atlanta? You know Augusta?
Aston Town.
I got you.
Yeah,
But listen, I got a question.
yo.
What's good?
How old are you guys?
I'm 18. And I'm 16.
You're 16?
Yeah, how old you is?
I'm 18.
Oh, he 18. I'm 16.
Okay, but listen. I have a story to tell y'all.
Alright, you gotta answer more time if it's long.
Oh no, it's not long. So I've been going through a really tough time in life, you feel me? And I just need a friend, right?
Yeah.
So which one of y'all wanna be my sugar daddy?
Should I be your sugar daddy?
For real? That easily?
You only spend that bag on you, ain't it?
Yup.
Word. I feel you been okay with it.
Yup, and I'm not scared to say it neither.
Shit, I wish there was more people like you got them just come straight out with you.
Right. Ain't no time for games. Not on this
I
side.
tell you what, you meet up in Atlanta at the right time.
Hi. What's up? What you doing?
What is that?
What you doing?
Nothing. What about you?
Nothing. Chilling. At time. I got a question though for you.
Oh Lord, what?
How old are you? That's all I was gonna say.
I'm 17.
Psych. I have more to ask you.
Okay.
So, hear me out. Just hear my story, okay? Okay?
Yeah.
So, I've been going through a really tough time in life, and I just need a friend. So, I have a question.
Right.
Did you hear my story? My little...
Yeah.
Okay, so... Right. So, can you be my sugar daddy?
What's the perks?
What do you mean?
What's the perks?
What do you mean, what's the perks?
Like, if I'm gonna be your sugar daddy, what do I get?
Oh, I give up the sugar. Duh. I'll be the sugar baby and you the sugar daddy.
Alright,
Bet.
That's all.
Bet.
That's all.
Yeah. Okay, so that's 2 yeses. Was that 2 yeses? Yeah, 2 yeses. No. 3. I don't know. I forgot. Hi guys. Sorry, my phone is right here and the camera's right here. So it kind of looks like I'm looking at myself, but not really. Hi.
Hell nah.
What you mean by hell no?
You look like my dick, bitch. Your dirty ass.
What?
Get on your dusty, crusty ass.
Shut up, stupid.
Big ass head.
You see how they be roasting me, guys? Some people are just so mean. Like I care. Anyway. Alright, whatever. Hi.
What's up?
What y'all doing?
Hello, how you doing?
What's
You
up?
got the pigtails in your ear now. Okay.
Yeah, nah, this is my little style, feel me? Ooh.
Okay, I like your good style.
Thank you.
Ooh.
Thank you.
That's a real hair.
Yup.
You lying?
No, forget all that. That's not what I came here to do. So, I have a question for y'all.
I might have an answer.
All right, so listen, hear me out. Just hear me out, okay? So, I've been going through a really tough time in life, and I just need a friend, you feel me? So, which one of y'all want to be my sugar daddy?
Do I get some sugar?
Yup.
Oh shit, look at it then.
You'll say yes that easily? You don't care?
Why we both can't be it?
No, that's what I'm just asking y'all. Like, I didn't say I needed one person. I'm just asking.
So you need some sugar daddies.
Yeah, but y'all need to make sure y'all have money. That's the only thing.
Oh. No, I got it.
Alright, okay. Wait.
I'm not here for long talking. Like, ain't nobody got time for that. So, people, they just saying yes. Damn, y'all nasty. Hey.
What's up?
What you doing?
Listening to music.
As you should, as you should. Where you from? Oh, at time.
I did. Texas.
Texas? Oh, okay. From Boston.
You bad? You said what?
I'm from Boston.
You like the Celtics?
Yeah.
Yeah, they straight. How old are you?
I'm 18. How old are you?
19.
Oh, okay, perfect, because I got a question.
Yeah.
All right, listen to my story.
All right.
I've been going through a tough time in my life right now, and I just need a friend. So my question is, do you want to be my sugar daddy?
How am I do that?
Just be my sugar daddy. You got money?
Something like that. Yeah.
Something like that. What that mean?
Something like that. Yeah, I got money.
What you do?
I got money.
What do you do?
I got a job.
Doing what?
Have some time.
Tell me what you do.
Uh,
Boy, ain't nobody adding no time. I gotta be more strict when it comes to these people. They want to talk all day. I ain't got time to talk all day. Hi.
What's good? I was on here looking for my next wifey or something. I was trying to see if you'd be my next wifey or something.
Me?
Yeah.
Wait, add time. I mean, okay. That's fine with me. Because I have a question.
You said okay?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your question?
Actually, 2 questions. How old are you?
I'm 19.
Okay, perfect. So, just hear me out, okay? I have a story to tell you.
All right. Listen.
So, I'm going through a really tough time in my life right now, and I just need someone to be my friend. You feel me? So, you trying to be my sugar daddy?
You said I'm trying to be your sugar daddy?
Yeah.
Shit, I need a sugar mama my damn self.
I can't be no sugar mama. I ain't got no money.
I mean, hey, I do sling drugs on the corner, but hey,
I don't sling no drugs. I just need
only for my ride or die. So.
Yeah, no, I feel you. I understand. I just
Shit,
need a
you
sugar
know what I'm
daddy.
saying?
I feel you, baby boy. Get out, you live, baby. Like, everybody else been just saying things. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just saying random stuff. They be skipping me. He from Mississippi. Hi.
Hey, you cute.
Thank you. What are you doing? Oh, at time.
Chilling.
Okay. So I got a question.
Where you from?
Oh, I'm from Boston.
What's your
Massachusetts.
question?
Okay, so wait, how old are you first?
I'm 18.
Oh, me too. So my question is, just hear me out. Hear my story. So I've been going through a tough time in life, and I just need a friend. So my question is, you trying to be my sugar daddy or what? Wait, what's so funny?
I'm cool with it.
You're cool with me being your sugar baby?
Yeah, I fuck with it.
You got money?
What? Of course.
What you do to make money? What do? You got a job?
Nah, I'm a dope dealer.
You a dope dealer?
Yeah, like, I get everything myself.
Okay, whatever. I could be a trap queen. I'm used to that life. No, I'm joking. At time.
But yeah, though.
So you just gonna make me be your sugar baby like that?
I mean, I'm gonna have to see what you putting down first.
That's whatever. Like, I need to.
Bring it to the table.
I gotta make money. Shoot, I can help you do your little dope dealer thing.
If you can help me, I can help you.
That's what I like. See, I like you. I like you already. You smart.
Yeah.
Yeah, you real smart.
You right. But yeah, I be, you know, I be doing my little thing.
Okay.
Keep it on down low. But I'm on probation for a few shits. But it's all right.
Probation? For what? Oh, he young. Hey.
At time.
Thank you. Let me see y'all faces, or whoever's face though was. What?
I say cute as hell. I'm like, you cute as hell, I ain't gonna lie.
Okay, thank you, both of you.
We ugly, right?
No?
I mean, you can say that because you. I'm not ugly. That's the first one. Thank you. I'm ugly, bro.
No. What?
Remy, bro. I'm fucking ugly, bro. You lying now, bro.
No, I'm not. What? Y'all not ugly? Trust me. I see worse people tonight.
Damn. She is whole like 50 boys.
But I got a question for y'all though.
What's up?
So listen to my story, okay? Just hear me out.
Alright.
I've been going through a really tough time of my life, and I just need a friend. So which one of y'all gonna be my sugar daddy?
Me. Damn. You serious? Me.
Yeah, no, I'm being serious.
You didn't ask nobody that's on Monkey that.
No.
We the first people?
Yup.
I'll be that.
I just started using this today, so everything's new. Every person gets a new question. I guess. I don't know.
Shit, I will.
Shoot, what's your name? How old are you?
I'm Seth and I'm 17.
Okay. How about your friend? What's his name? How old is he?
His name is Devon. I'm 18. He 18.
Oh, I'm 18. I'm 18 too.
I mean, if you want to say him, I mean, I don't care.
No. I'm just saying. No, I'm just talking. Like, I just wanted to know. Where you guys live at?
Detroit, Michigan.
Michigan. Oh, I live in Massachusetts.
My mom used to live there, bro.
It's boring out here. Ain't nobody like. I don't even like it out here. Shoot.
It's lame over here too. Yeah. Nobody really.
Add me on Snapchat, and I'll add you back, or whoever. Like.
I'm on my phone right now, so I have to follow you on Instagram because, like, I got my tablet.
Okay.
My phone kind of got destroyed today.
What happened?
See, they had turned off. They had water damage, so it wouldn't turn back on. You got an iPhone? Yeah, I had an iPhone, and it just water damaged, and it cracked, and then it's kind of like smashed.
I understand.
I got my tablet though, so I'll have to follow you on Instagram. So
yeah, that's cool. All right. Just add me on Snapchat though. Bye. Hi.
What's up? You look like you in black.
What?
Are you Asian and black?
Am I Asian and black? Is that what you said?
Yes.
Oh damn! How'd you know that?
Because you look like it.
Oh yeah, no, I'm part Jamaican and part Chinese. How'd you know that? That's weird.
You look like it.
Oh, thank you. You're smart. Hi.
What's up?
What you doing?
Just chilling.
Oh, okay. Hi.
He said, what's up? How much time?
So how old are you?
I'm 20.
Oh, okay.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
Okay.
So I got a question.
What?
So you want to listen to my story?
What's it about?
It's about me.
Okay, well, like, what happened?
Okay, so I'm going through a tough time. Listen, I'm going through a tough time in my life. I just need a sugar daddy. Do you want to be my sugar daddy?
I'm trying to be a sugar baby. I'm looking for a sugar mama.
Nah. You gotta be my sugar daddy.
Nah. I can't help you with that one. I'm sorry.
Why not? Even a couple coins. I need a couple coins.
Nah, I need a couple million.
All right, me and you on the same boat then, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey guys. So I was about to do my intro. So guys, I'm sorry. I lost the footage of like the really extra funny people that I met on this monkey app. I don't know. I tried to figure out a way to find it back, but I really couldn't. I met some really cute boys, really just like really great people. I'm debating if I'm gonna do this video over again or not, because like I'm gonna keep trying. This is my 5th time trying to make this video, but I am very determined, as you guys can tell. But if I don't make a new video, then you will see this clip, because then if I do, you won't see this clip. And I love you guys so much. I did not forget about you guys. I'm absolutely trying my hardest. I don't know what's going on. Like, I really need to buy a camera. This phone stuff is not working. I'm trying my hardest. To the people that were in, that I said that was going to be in my video and the footage was lost, I'm super sorry. Add me back on Snapchat. I text most people back on Snapchat. I'm sorry if I lost the footage. I know a lot of people were very excited to be on my YouTube channel. They was like, oh, I'm going to be on YouTube, blah, 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 da-da-da-da. They was shouting on their SoundCloud, Instagram, Twitter, and I lost the footage. It wasn't recording, and these things weren't saving. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I feel so bad. But this is the best I could do. It's really late. I know this video is probably really crappy and really like shitty and just not the best thing, but I am gonna do a video like this again, because even though it might be not that good to you guys, it was super fun. I actually enjoy meeting a lot of new people, and I'm gonna just take out my earrings because these things been stretching out my ear all day, and I'm tired, and I'm just, everything is bothering me, and it's time. Oh, yo, earrings make a difference. I just got like 10% more uglier. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram name is now MOURA YING, so MOURAYING. And my Twitter name, I think I might change my Twitter name to MOURA YING, but it's still _King MOURA. So the word King and then MOURA. And my Snapchat is Queen Sharp, so Queen and then SHARP. So I love you guys so much. I'm not gonna take 4 weeks to make a video anymore. I'm gonna be on backs now, and I love you guys, and I know you guys love me even more. And keep liking, keep grinding, keep subscribing, and everything. Mwah.